In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Western Union. To create an account in Western Union, first open your preferred browser by left-clicking on the icon. Here in the search bar, type Western Union registration and hit enter. Left-click on the first link that says Register Now. This will take you to the Western Union official registration page. Here in the top right corner, left-click the Register option. As you can see here, you can sign up for free with a $0 transaction fee. And Western Union claims that they have the best exchange rates for your first online transfer. To register, first enter your government-issued ID name. Below that, enter your middle name. Make sure it's exactly as your government-issued ID, and enter your last name. Below that, you need to enter your email. So let's just enter our email. Enter your email. Make sure it's an active email, because you will be receiving transaction alerts. Simply enter your password. Make sure it's a strong password, and left-click the Register button at the bottom. As you can see, your account has been created. Now simply search your country and choose your country. For this example, we will choose Palestine. Just like that, and left-click Continue. Now, you are directly taken to the exchange rates area. Simply enter the amount of money you want to send, let's say 20, and it will be converted into the amount you want to pay. You can use debit cards, you can pay to bank transfer, KID, cash in store, and stuff like that. And that's pretty much it on creating your Western Union account.